Hi everyone, happy Saturday. Today I just wanted to do a quick video on how we choose the winners of the giveaway, the Rainbow Loom giveaway. Again, there are 3 winners and it's not sponsored by anyone. So today is August 6th at 12:23 p.m. The giveaway ended yesterday, August 5th at 8:59 p.m. Pacific time and at 11:59 August 5th Eastern time. So to keep everything fair, this website is going to choose the 3 winners. And again, the 3 winners are going to win the Rainbow Loom kit. So let's see. We're going to see the winners here. So we have 3 winners on picked, and I will be emailing the winners, and if they enter their social media, I'm going to be messaging them as well. And again, I'm not choosing the winners. This website is going to choose the winners, and I'm going to not show who won to keep it for privacy. So we have some invalid actions. This means that the people who entered might have not done the entries well. Maybe they didn't put their email, maybe they didn't put whatever. I'm going to be reviewing them, and to keep it fair, I'm going to be deleting the invalid actions, okay? So I will be right back. So as you see here, the valid entries will have this, and the invalid entries will have, so it says fraudulent behavior detected. This could be a scammer, this could be a bot. So I'm going to be deleting those entries to keep everything fair. I will be back. So I want to show you that I will be deleting them. So always ensure you have reviewed the email entries before deleting them. The actions cannot be undone. And yes, I am sure. Just want to keep everything fair, you guys, okay? I don't want bots to win. I don't want any scammers to win as well. So that deleted the entries. So we have 760 entries. Now let's see. And I will be not showing the winners, okay? I just want to keep their privacy. So we have 3 winners to draw. And let's see. We're going to draw out of 68 potential users. So let's see. So here we have the 3 winners. It's 12:32 p.m. and you can see the winners here. We have one from Italy, Bari, Italy. We have one from Canada, Trenton, Ontario, Canada, and one from Virginia, USA, Ashburn. We have the first Rainbow Loom kit winner, second and third. And that is all. Congratulations, you guys, and thank you so much for entering and always being a supporter. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for 9 years. I will be emailing the winners on their email and on their social media if they give it to me. All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining and for always being there. Please have a good weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Thank you.